Innovation is in our DNA. We see AI not just merely a tool, but as the very operating system for our school. Our goal is to be a leading AI-driven educational pioneer. So this vision rests on 4 pillars. The number 1 is to nurturing future-ready AI talent. We are trying to integrate AI curriculum into every grade level to build literacy and problem-solving skills. Number 2, we are empowering personalized learning. We use AI to shift students from being passive recipients to active explorers. Number 3, we're fostering a safe environment. We are modernizing our infrastructure to ensure equitable, seamless access to research resources. Number 4, we're scaling our global presence. Just like today, we aim to export our best practice, fostering cross-border integration and leadership in educational innovation. We launched a comprehensive strategy focusing on 3 layers. First one is the AI Education Center, AIEC, a dedicated hub for AI knowledge and curriculum. The second layer is the Smart Classroom and also the Learning Management System, LMS, which transforms the daily teaching experience. The third layer is the Smart Campus, the infrastructure upgrading our network with Wi-Fi 7 and AI-enhanced safety features. Our mission at Pui Kiu Middle School is clear: empower through intelligent, innovate for the future.